my loves. Be careful where you dumping, Joe. Shout out to. What are y'all doing? Oh, babe. You can also stop in the dealership. It's on Ford Road in Dearborn Heights. The address is 24732. Hello, thanks for stopping by. So I'm just driving up the street and this commercial come on. So it was about Lexington Law. And I was just talking about this yesterday. About why pay all those hundreds and thousands of dollars. Hello, thanks for stopping by. Why pay all those hundreds of thousands of dollars to have someone repair your credit when you can actually take the time and learn the strategies to repair your own credit? A lot of time, even when we paying all this money, sometimes you pay for what you get. And with the service, with the smart credit repair, with myEcon, it's $34 a month to basically learn strategies that are going to help you to bring more money home into your household. It's basically showing you how to personally be successful with your finances. myEcon is called the Personal Financial Success Company. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you share it with somebody. Share it with someone who you know that needs a little help. That's what I do. I'm here to provide solutions to people's problems. And so I do know that credit repair is, bad credit is a huge issue. And not knowing how to repair your own credit, or even not having hundreds of dollars to pay for your credit to be repaired by someone else, by a professional, is not always feasible. So with this, with myEcon, it's very affordable. Not only are you learning how to repair your credit, but you're learning strategies. You're learning skills that you can actually teach whomever. You can teach your children how to build financial stability. That's one of the things I know that we lack as people is knowing the ins and out of money, the ins and out of finance and credit, and how it's used and how it can be beneficial versus how it isn't beneficial to us and gets us in a world of debt and trouble. Now, I talked about this yesterday too. I was never a person. Well, I did in the beginning. I really wasn't taught about credit and having a good credit and stuff like that, and establishing good credit history. So when I did get on my own, I pretty much jacked it up, not really knowing what I was doing. So as I've gotten older, got more knowledgeable about things, different jobs that I've worked, and just the different things that I've learned throughout the years now. And then when I got with myEcon almost 3 years ago, I was like, oh my God, like, this is how money works. I was like really, I was stunned by the information that was shared with me with my good friend Robert Webster. He shared some great knowledge with me about 2.5 years ago when it came to money and finances. And that's why when I did have the opportunity to join myEcon at that time, you know, I jumped right on it. At that time it was free, and I think ever since I joined during that free opportunity where it was free to get in, they haven't did that anymore. But like $34.95, and then even at that time when it was free, when they were running a free promotion, the membership to join myEcon was like $200, you guys. And since then they've changed so much and made it so easier for us to join this company. It's only $34.95 to join, $34.95 a month. I've faithfully paid my myEcon membership for almost 3 years now because of the training, the techniques, the strategies that I've actually been learning with myEcon, and how to maximize my cash flow, how to like the first strategy that they teach you is about income shifting. And especially when I joined, I wasn't working for a job, I was working for myself. But I thought that everybody needs to know that the fact that you have a home-based business, even if you're working a job, you don't have to pay as much taxes that you actually are paying. We pay, people who work a job and are paying out taxes, they're paying out, a third of their check comes out of their paycheck before they even get to touch their own money. Well, with the home-based business, it's different. It's totally different. You're paying little to no taxes as a home-based business owner, but you have to learn how to keep good records and things of that nature. So myEcon has this amazing software called the Cash Flow Manager as well. But it's an amazing opportunity to be able to have these things, have access to these different things to us, because I know like in 2008 when I was trying to file bankruptcy and stuff, that stuff was expensive, you guys. Like thousands of dollars just to get a bankruptcy attorney. They want like $500 down. Like, think of all the savings, all that you can save. The smart credit repair system teaches you how to get all type of negative things off of your credit report. All type of negative things. Bankruptcies, student loans. myEcon teaches you how to have Uncle Sam pay your student loans back. You definitely want to take advantage of the services, because they're very, very affordable. $35. Now you're talking about $35, right? And the first strategy that you're going to learn is how to properly fill out your W-4 form. This is if you're working a job. You fill out your W-4 form the right way, and your next paycheck, you're probably going to be bringing home an extra $100 to maybe $500 on your next paycheck just by simply filling out your W-4 form correctly and turning it in to your HR department. And I can't guarantee you, but majority of the time, if you fill it out the right way, you probably don't even know there's a second, there's a back half to the W-4 form. They don't give that to us when we apply for jobs. I know I haven't worked for no one in a long time, but I'm quite sure they don't give out that form, the back of that form, when you apply for a job, because it basically applies to having a business. And a lot of people who are going to apply for jobs more than likely don't have a business, and so that's why they don't give out that form. That they've already basically predicted that you're an employee. You're going to be an employee for life, just by not even giving you that the back half of the W-4 form. So if you're interested and want to know more about myEcon, the personal financial success company, definitely comment below here or inbox me, however you want to do it. I'm always available. And that's the difference between, like, I was thinking, like, Lexington, they're very they're a very known company and everything, law firm, and they're making thousands of dollars. But that's because it's not enough of us out here telling people about the goodness of myEcon. It's a black-owned company out based in Georgia, first of all, and we're just trying to help set our people financially free. That's what we're trying to do. So, if you want to be financially free and you want to have personal financial success, then contact me. I'll be more than happy to help you with that. It's an amazing opportunity. The strategies alone is worth the monthly cost that it costs to have a business, because that's basically what it is. If you want to have a business, then $35 a month is all that it costs, and you have training, all type of, everything that you need to be successful, they provide. myEcon provides, I promise you. So definitely get with me. I'll be more than happy to assist you, and let's build wealth and creating wealth for generations to come, you guys. That's what it's all about. I want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And it's your girl Shay Marie. I'll check back with you guys later.